Alright everybody, we back on the dock. We're gonna fish some minnows today and see what we can get. Fall's coming on and the crappie bites are heating up. We're gonna drop her down. We ain't got no sinker on that minnow. And he's gonna swim right up underneath this dock. And when he does, he's gonna get eaten. So I just, no sinker, just let him swim. Nose hook him, let him swim. A little nose hook job like that right there. Let's drop him down. Let him swim under there. Yeah, there he goes. He's gonna naturally go down because that hook's gonna pull him down. Just ever so slightly, but he's still gonna have plenty of action. That's the thing about fishing this way, guys. You will get bites, but you gotta be patient. It takes a while for your bait to even get down deep enough. Got him. Fish on, guys. Look at here, look at here. Black nose crappie. Just like yesterday. We let more line out on that one. We checked the bait, let more line out, let him go further up under there. If you don't get a bite, keep trying stuff until you get a bite. Don't give up. You'll never catch one. Let's get us another one, guy. He was pretty deep. Pretty deep. Don't know why they won't hit this dude over here. It's got one on it. He been sitting in there for 5 minutes. Look here. There's another one. We turn him loose. Good crappie bite. Got another. Here we go. There you go. There's another little black nose crappie. I can't even get a hook tied on. There we go. Got him. This feels like a better one. A little better. With a little black crappie. Let's see if we can get another one. There we go. That should catch us one. we go. Got him. Ooh, getting better. Getting better. That there almost kicked. I don't want them unless they're monsters. I see that one, he's going up under there. He's gonna get ate. Watch this. Had a fish. Got him. Got another one. Okay. Little guys. That's all for today, guys.